how to request a payment withdrawal from PeoplePerHour. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, it's my pleasure to teach you how you can request a payment withdrawal from PeoplePerHour. To do this is very simple, so just watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your PeoplePerHour account, just like I've done here, and then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon and click on it. In the box displayed, you'll see options like post project, dashboard, profile, freelancer activity, payment, settings, logout. Ensure you click on settings. Okay, click on settings. Once you click on settings, I have brought to your settings page. Just below the settings option, you'll see some tabs such as general, notifications, payments, privacy, availability. So click on the payments option. So on this page, you can see withdraw account, you can see tax details, identification documents, etc. So ensure you add a withdrawal account or a means of payment. So if you've not added it, ensure you click on add new account, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you can see the different kind of accounts that you can add. All right, select the one that you'd like to add, click on proceed. Ensure you read through this and keep it in mind. If not, you would not be able to add your PayPal account. Then click proceed and you'll be taken to the next stage. So once you've gone through all of these processes and you are able to add a withdrawal method to your account, once you can do that, on this same payments page, you'll see the option for you to specify the amount you want to withdraw. All right, I start into the amount, click on submit to request the withdrawal. Then once submitted, the withdrawal would be processed according to the payment method's terms and conditions. So in that I said that while you're selecting your payment method, let's go back there. Ensure you read through what you were asked to keep in mind so that you can know the terms and conditions, and then from there you would get your money very smooth and easily. So that is it. Thank you for watching and go get your money today. Have a good day.